Hello, Sister Blanchard and the class. This is Jonathan, man. What I did my career profile on, after a lot of searching and a lot of headache, was family preservation worker. A lot of the stuff that I found was labeled under a social worker or a family, child, and school specialist kind of worker. They said it was pretty much exactly the same thing. They just have different names for it. If anything, the only difference could potentially be family preservation workers. What they do is it's quicker, it's more direct. Pretty much families go into their family preservation program, and it's kind of like a quick fix. They get with their family preservation worker who helps them face to face. Usually the family preservation worker works with families in their own homes. It can be in schools or child and human service agencies, or mental health centers, but usually it's in the homes, personal homes of the families they're working with, and they pretty much, family preservation worker assesses the needs that the family has, the stressors that they're facing, the challenges they have, and they make a plan with that family to overcome those challenges. And it's pretty much, like therapists and stuff like that, social workers probably too. They work with families over a really long extended period of time a lot of times. Family preservation workers, on the other hand, with the program, like I said, it's pretty much a get in, get out kind of a quick fix thing. So their family preservation programs are really intense. And yeah, they try to help people get in and out and helped out and, healed, I guess you could say, fix the family as quick as possible. So like I said, family preservation worker makes makes a plan with the families to help them overcome just the common problems that they have in their family. Um, they work with them to improve the family's social and psychological well-being. They can help the children with their schooling, help them with truancies and stuff like that. Um, they respond to child abuse, and they can report that to the different agencies, social agencies in the government, if there's child abuse going on. They help families get back together after they've been separated, and they also work with families, um, help the families work with government and other agencies to improve the overall well-being of the family, um, to help them with financial aid and stuff like that. They help parents find child care services. Go away. Sorry, someone's knocking the door. They help parents find child care services when need be. Common tasks, I just said that. Work environment. One thing that's said for the work environment, which could also be a potential stressor I could see, as it says they need, family preservation workers need to be available to their patients on a 24/7 basis, which means they need to sometimes work evenings or holidays or weekends, which could be pretty stressful. So that leading into stressors, a lot of people, well, what I found is it's not just family preservation workers, but a lot of family professionals as a whole, but definitely would fit to family preservation workers. As they report, they have less time available for their own family, and less of energy available for their own family. They can possibly set unrealistically high standards for their own family, and they can have trouble switching their mindset from being a family professional to just a family member. And then there's also concern about job security because there's a high turnover rate, I guess, in the family preservation worker field. Typical benefits, on the other hand, is actually a lot of agencies will pay a premium or some kind of money benefit to those people who pursue a graduate degree. which is pretty cool. People said that they have flexible schedules, and they can kind of work their schedules around their own time. And then a lot of companies also offer benefits packages that include health, dental, vision, and life insurances. And they also include holidays, sick leave, vacations, and retirement plans. What are they doing up there? Sorry. Jet text we talked about. Educational requirements, bachelor's degree. Um, some things said, a master's degree is good, but as a whole, family preservation worker just needs a bachelor's degree, of course. And then the salary ranges. Starting salary range is on average around the mid 20,000s. And then the experience salary range on average is around 45,000. Obviously, that's just the average. And that's pretty much it. Well, an example organization, I guess we could say, there's one called KVC Health Systems in, they're pretty much in multiple different states, but their headquarters is in Kansas. They're an organization that works with families, family preservation organization. And yeah, information source, I don't know if I have to tell you that, but yeah, I got a lot of different information sources. If you really wanted to know, you could ask me. Alright, so that's it. Hopefully that was good, and thank you so much.